Let's face it, if you own a Ferrari, you're a walking target for thieves. These cars are highly desirable and very, very valuable. So, unless you want to find your prized possession up on bricks, you'll need to invest in some serious security measures. Think multiple alarms, GPS tracking, and maybe even a guard dog with a taste for tire iron. But hey, at least you'll have a great story to tell at parties. Assuming you still have your Ferrari, of course. Now let's talk about comfort. Ferraris are not exactly known for their plush ride quality. Sure, the interiors are swathed in leather and Alcantara, but don't expect a magic carpet ride. Ferraris are designed for performance, and that means stiff suspension, low-profile tires, and a firm connection with the road. You'll feel every bump, every imperfection in the tarmac, but that's all part of the experience. It's about being connected to the road, feeling every nuance of the driving experience. So, there you have it, the Ferrari. A car that's as flawed as it is fantastic. It's expensive, impractical, and about as subtle as a chainsaw in a library. But it's also exhilarating, beautiful, and capable of providing a driving experience that's unlike anything else on Earth. If you ever get the chance to drive one, grab it with both hands. Just be prepared for the consequences, and maybe wear brown trousers just in case.